Okay guys, so does your printer look like this when it prints out? All the lines are missing, faded lines, gaps in text, white and black. This is a common problem in inkjet and DeskJet printers and all-in-ones as well. So this is an Epson Stylus SX425W, and let me show you the ways that I have actually managed to resolve this. I've actually resolved this problem, this printer. I didn't actually think it was going to work. There are a whole sequence of steps you can try, and the first thing you want to do is you want to first of all get to the setup built-in tools of your printer. So turn your printer on, obviously. Go into setup. On this one you've got a spanner and screwdriver button. Press that, and three things you can try. It's like there's 3, 4, 5 different methods you can try. There's 2 tools you can do on your printer, and that's to clean the nozzle check, and there's also head cleaning and head alignment. So nozzle check, proceed, printing, cancel that, cancel. This has a nozzle check, and then obviously head cleaning. What head cleaning does is actually it cleans the head, so that, for example, it would not leave gaps or air bubbles, remove air bubbles and remove any clogged ink from the print heads. And head alignment will mean that if you have like a piece, like if you have like text that is like slightly faded, but it actually looks like it's not a problem with the actual print, but it just small gaps in the text, like this, for example, just very small white gaps in the text, then it would actually look like that, and you need a head alignment to do that. So head alignment. So basically, yeah, when you need head alignment, the text isn't all that bad, but when it's really bad, it will look like this, something like that. And that's just a copy. That's actually a copy, not a print. So yeah, head alignment, and also a nozzle check if you got that, or a head cleaning. That's the main thing. The head cleaning is the main one. Sometimes that might be on the computer itself, on the software itself. We have to do that, not from the computer, not from the printer. But most of them from the printer itself. That's where you do those checks. So another thing to do is to check for. So another thing to do is when you went through that and it's still not working fine, like on this one. When I did that, I was still doing that problem. Then you can actually go inside the printer, and then you can actually go and clean the heads. So I'll try and zoom in here. You can clean the heads, and the way you do that on this printer, if I go to on the tools, you go to Ink Cartridge replacement, proceed, and then you open the top. I'm not going to take these cartridges out because I'm afraid that I might ruin it again. If you take these cartridges out one by one, you can actually see nozzle heads. And what you do, you actually spray with something like some cleaning fluid, like this is screen and keyboard cleaning fluid. Spray some of that and use a cloth. Don't use a tissue because it will dye the white debris or what have you. Bits of the tissue will go inside. You want to clean it. It's not too bad. You just 1 or 2 or 3 sprays onto the nozzle, and you just simply clean them very easily. And then once you've done that, you use a cloth to wipe off that ink from the nozzle. On all four you got black, cyan, magenta and yellow, and you just clean each one separately with a cloth using one of these, or even a hand sanitizer will do it. Actually, I use mine with a hand sanitizer, and that spray, because that includes alcohol, and alcohol cleans things. So which is very, very strong. So yeah, and that actually did it for me. And also what I did was, after that, or fourth option is to replace the ink cartridges as well, because not only could they be empty, but the chip in the cartridge could be defect, and once that's gone, then it's going to need a new cartridge. And if that's not doing it, then try a genuine ink cartridge, like this was Epson, a genuine Epson print cartridge. That would also fix a lot of the problems as well. So got head clean, nozzle check, and head alignment, and you got cleaning the nozzles with this, removing the ink cartridges out, removing the nozzles, and cleaning the nozzles, wiping them down dry with a cloth and the excess ink, and replace the cartridges. You can by all means try and put in a compatible, that may work. If you still don't get a successful result solution, then try putting genuine ink cartridges in. Okay, and that's pretty much it really. That didn't take too long. Once you've done that, then attempt to do a test page print. Once all that's to check it. Once you've done all those cleans and checks and tasks, and then that might do it. So for example, so my printer went from that the start to that. So I printed it one that way, and used paper to do a test pinch page print the other way. So that's successful, and then I did a copy, and that's successful as well. You can see there. So all those things work. You could go to try many different things, and if those doesn't do it, then you probably have to. It will be safe to say, unfortunately, you may need maybe a problem with the ink system, where it's just best to get a new printer. But any comments or problems or issues or questions, please fire away, and please like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and do subscribe or pass on to others, because then I can help other people with problems with the PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Thank you.